Hello everyone. I'm going to start this video out by letting you guys know I'm not going to really talk about how I made this miniature too much. Instead, I really wanted to talk to you guys about the fact that I am doing custom miniatures on Etsy and also selling plans of miniatures that I've done. I'm trying to get more plans together of the miniatures that I've made, but the one that I have up right now is the recliner because everyone keeps asking me to put it up. So it's up, and if you want to purchase the recliner, you can purchase the recliner plans. Otherwise, if you want an actual custom miniature, there you go. You can get a custom miniature done by me, potentially as a YouTube video, depending on if I've made it or not. If it's a miniature I haven't made before, most likely I will put it up on my channel. Although I have pricing up on Etsy, a lot of it is how long I feel it's going to take. I definitely would want to have a conversation with you before you purchase anything. Start a conversation on Etsy, ask me what you want to have done and how much I think it'll cost, or even if I think I can do it. If there are plans that I don't have on my Etsy quite yet and you want them, I have no problem focusing my time and energy on trying to get that out. An obligation makes me feel like doing things more than just doing them myself, so please don't be afraid to ask for things that aren't on the Etsy shop either. One of my good friends asked me to create the Furby for their daughter, Silver. That is why I created it with silver fur and rainbow hair. She enjoyed it a lot. If you want to see a reaction at the end of the video, you can. I actually have a video of her reacting to the present as she opens it on Christmas Day. I think it's adorable. At first, I thought the Furby that she wanted was the newer Furby model. I actually had to change the design because she wanted the old Furby. You can see I'm changing my approach right here, where I drew the old Furby and chose the color combination that I wanted to go with. The new Furby design has hollow ears, while the old one doesn't, so that's definitely a thing that I had to change. I referenced Sugar Charm Shop's Furby design that she had done a few years ago. I wanted the eyes to move and I liked the way that she did it. I remembered the way that she did it. I used that here and it worked flawlessly. I say flawlessly, but it worked. It worked. The eyes move, the ears don't. In 1/24 scale, the ears were so thin that they broke a couple of times. I wanted to keep them as strong as possible in the 1/24 scale. For the silver and rainbow yarn, I used the technique that I learned from Delightful and Hexgen. Use yarn, brush it out, straighten it, cut it off, and use little bits and pieces. This was my first time doing fur. Definitely not the best I could have done, definitely not the best I've seen, but I like it on this piece. I added silver Pearlex pigment on the ears and the fur to add a very silver finish to the piece. The eyes actually work. I like the way that it turned out. Keep watching to see the reaction video, and after that I have a little video of some of the miniatures that I made early on, just to give you an idea, and if you're interested in a custom miniature, please let me know. We'll see how this goes.
Is it in the bag?
Yes, it's there.
Okay.
Oh, okay, this.
Please, gentle.
Oh, that's adorable. I do really like this. Okay, thank you.
You're so welcome.
It's a very, very tiny rainbow Furby.
Oh, I see now. That's,
Can I see that?
that's like the doll that you have, the Furby?
Yes, this thing.
Here.
Can I see
So
that?
you can't take it anywhere like that one?
Where's the present what I was opening?
Oh, that's so cute.
Can I see? I was opening the present. Where's my
Tinier box.
So what?
Tinier box.
All right, Karen. I can see that this says silver on it.
Can I see?
I don't know yet. I have to open it. Hold on.
Follow me on Instagram. I just started a Twitter. I'm not sure if anybody does Twitter or uses Twitter for miniature things, but I just started my own. I have a Facebook channel. Here's all the links for all the things that I'm trying to get better at and post on more. Y'all have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.